So in this video, I'll show you guys how to make money on Goodwall app. Step-by-step guide in 2025. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important step, and let's get started. So first thing you want to do is just download the Goodwall app on your iPhone. So just go to the App Store in search bar, and then just type in Goodwall. And make sure you have it downloaded. Then just open the app. Now that you're on this app, all you have to do is just sign up using Google or just create an account on Goodwall. Now once you're here, it's going to bring you to this page. What you want to do is just click on the home page. Now as you can see, you can win scholarships and win money for your college. So once you're here, just scroll all the way down till you see Gen AI for Youth. And as you can see, it says win $10 or many more. And what you want to do is just click on one of them. And there's a requirement. Basically, there's like 180 days to complete this task to win money. As you can see, I have $0. But once completing the task, you will be able to win $10 or even $100. Make sure to subscribe and like.